Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Mark here, Forex. You see, I've been getting these questions from most people when it comes to trading. Can you trade full-time, and must trading be your only source of income? I would say it's not advisable for you to trade full-time and depend on trading as your only source of income, because guys, trading is very complicated. It's very stressful. And because you're a good trader doesn't necessarily mean that you'll be a good trader all the time. You have losses, you have wins, and it's not even about winning all the time. It's about just being profitable at the end of the day, if you know what I'm saying. So it's advisable that if you want to become a good trader, if you want to become a full-time trader, please have other streams of income, or have multiple different things, like have multiple asset streams. Like you can be having a real estate, you can have real estate deals, you can have businesses which are running in the background, you can have a lot of other things that you're doing at the background. Don't depend on trading solely as your only source of income, because you're gonna have a lot of stress as you're working in this forex trading journey. So the next thing is that you will not trade every single day. That's something that most traders miss, because when they get into day trading, they think you have to be trading every single day. You have to be looking for trade every single day, and this is what is causing most traders to lose money consistently, because you'll make profits here and you lose it back, you make profits here and you lose it back. You can't be trading every single day. If you are a good trader, you don't trade every single day. You trade maybe 2 or 3 times in a week, 2 or 3 days in a week. Let's say Monday, Wednesday, Friday is okay. Or you can say, if you discover that you're having a losing days, or let's say on Friday, because for me, I used to lose mostly on Friday, so I can say I can take Fridays off. I can trade, let's say, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So you can't be trading every single day, hoping that every single day you make profits, or hoping that every single month you make profits, because it's not realistic in a trading environment. You can trade forex, let's say, twice in a week. Let's say just take 2 or 3 setups in a week and you're fine. I mean, those who lose money consistently in forex are those who are trading every single day and trading every single setup. Yeah, so guys, trading is a good business, very profitable. That's if you're trading to make good money, it's very profitable. But if you're trading as, let's say, a job where you have to be there every single day, believe me, you'll be very stressful. So that's it for this video. Should you be trading every single day? No. Should you take trading as a full-time business and your only source of income? No, don't do that. If you are good in trading, like I said, have different other businesses which you're doing at the background, or have different things that you're doing in the background that can keep you busy, because you will not always be making money from trading, if you know what I'm saying. So what do you think about this video? Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.